those
It's
letters
day
in that sequence.
22. 23.
I thought that was great. So I registered the domain.
No, that's a weird 3,
I was
isn't
going to
it?
experiment to see about
Well, then...
raising it in the rankings.
Okay. I'll take it.
One thing you can be guaranteed when you stumble across a word that has 0 search results, it's not on anybody's mind. Nobody's typed it, not even accidentally. So if you're thinking, I'm not sure that word applies, but if you're thinking that perhaps somebody will find your website, you are sadly mistaken. Because if nobody types Morphotony in a web page or in a blog, even by accident, they're not going to type it into a search. They're not going to be looking for it. So that's the worst direction to go. If you go the other end,
Well, I kind of messed that one up.
you can find phrases that lots and lots and lots of people are searching for. So many that it's impossible for you to get to the top. And there's so many results. There's results where there'll be 3 billion pages with that term on it. Like, look up CSS. I don't know how many billions of results you're going to get. Look up SEO. You're going to get a few billion results. It's a very active area. So that's too many. Because you can't compete in that arena. So you look for a search phrase, and it's going to end up being a phrase. A single word is just silly. It's going to end up being a phrase, so there's some distillation down. You look for a phrase that gets you enough results that you can have confidence that people are in fact looking for it, but not so many results that it's impossible to get to the top of the rankings. The sad truth is that I think it's less than 0.1%. It's a ridiculous low number of people that will refine their search. If they type in a phrase to look for something, they take whatever they get, and that's that. They don't look at the results and say, oh, I should change this word so I can get closer to what I'm looking for. No, they take whatever they got. And the number of people that go to the second page of the search results, it's so close to 0 that for all practical purposes, it's 0. So if you do not appear at least in the first page, and hopefully in the top half of the first page, you don't appear. So if you're fighting to show up, then you want to be competing in a phrase that you have a chance. So, I don't know, do you think you can outcompete 3 billion other pages? Seems like a lot of competition. Yeah.
Is it true that the more words you have in the document, whatever you're trying to promote, will increase the amount of looking at? You know, in other words, the more words, because the phrases,
There we
you have
go.
particular
5
phrases
minutes.
in whatever you've written, wouldn't that increase the more times that someone would no?
Is it true that ... The answer to that is no.
Day 23 of our 30-day
There
art challenge.
are folks somewhere